1986 Oldsmobile Cutlass 442 with T-tops. Excellent paint, brand new tires, brand new AC compressor, running and driving great. We sell and we ship worldwide. Financing is available nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. There is a link to the website in the description of this video. Just scroll down. Nice aftermarket wing. Name of the company right there, phone number and website. One little crack on the dash right there. The rest of the dash looks like it's intact. Aftermarket steering wheel, aftermarket radio, aftermarket sound system. I'll show you the system in the back in a minute. Open up the trunk. Interior is in excellent shape, all original. Driver's seat is power. Nice shape. Door panels, doors, everything's in great shape. Looks like the T-top weather stripping is all new and replaced. It looks like a 1990s style, nice and compact, nice presentation. Sounds decent for its year. Another shot of that aftermarket steering wheel. We did try to find an OEM 442 steering wheel, but we haven't been able to find one. It's got 36,000 miles on a 5-digit odometer. Please do your homework on that. As I said, the driver's seat is power and it works just fine. V8 307, a lot of new parts, very well maintained. Nice hose dresser kit, running good. Thanks for holding. Thanks for watching. Sorry.